what's happening, friends? This is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. And in this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about how to actually do SEO, search engine optimization, and how I rank my videos and get subscribers and subscriptions, and really how I'm using YouTube and blogging to build my rideshare business. Not being a better rideshare driver, but to build a business around rideshare. And I promised you guys this video, so I'm giving it to you now. And so what we want to do, the first thing we want to start off with is, you guys see my home page here. I've been working on my blog today. So the first thing you want to start off with is Google. Let's go to Google. And the reason I want to share this good information with you guys, because some people have a hard time believing that you can really build a business around your rideshare business, and that's totally not true. So it's going to take a little time for my computer to move a little faster. I don't have the most high computer. My phone speed is much better than my computer. And here we go. So I use a few tools, and I'm going to go over these tools as we go along. I'm going to type in Uber drivers, just like Kelvin showed you guys at the simpledriver.com. He put a video up the other day, and he just showed you guys some good. So I want to actually give you guys the game as far as that is concerned. And so I'm using a Google plugin. I'm using Google Chrome plugin. It's called Keywords Everywhere, and it's this little K right here. Okay, Keywords Everywhere. It's a free plugin. Anybody can use it. You just download it to your Chrome browser. It's really simple. You know, if you need help with that, Google it or YouTube it, how to download Keywords Everywhere to the Chrome browser. It's really easy. So the term Uber driver gets almost 1 million searches a month, right? Over 800,000 searches a month. So this is something I saw Kelvin do in this video. He's ranking for this word right here, and a lot of people want to know how he's getting referrals. Well, he did a video. He ranked for this keyword, Uber driver requirements. So Keywords Everywhere will show related keywords to Uber driver. Okay, so you got Uber driver requirements, Uber driver salary, Uber driver application, Uber driver near me, Uber driver sign in, Uber driver car requirements, Uber driver number, Uber driver policy. Look at the searches that this is getting right here. Okay, he didn't go for Uber driver, he went for this keyword right here. All right, and Uber driver application, that's another good one. So I'm gonna you can star these, and you can actually, I'm just gonna star them just so you guys can see how easy it is. So you can do a video on each one of these, right? And what you do is you just go to Keywords Everywhere, bam, go to Keywords Everywhere, and go to My Keywords, and it'll put all the ones that you starred in place. So there we go. So we got all of those, right? We got all of those. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna delete that. Okay, if I can, let's move the screen there. We're gonna delete that. So this is very powerful by itself. The Keywords Everywhere, because it gives you the search volume. All right. So it gives you the search volume. And so let's go to Uber driver requirements. So I'm going to do a video on Uber driver requirements. I'm not going to do it in this video, but I'm going to link the videos together so you can see the steps that I'm using to create the video and to actually get this video out into YouTube and promote it as well. I really want to make this super easy for you guys. So I hope you guys are taking notes. So I'm going to click on that, Uber driver requirements. And here we go. The requirements are right here on the front. So I can do a video, right? And just go right through all of this, and this is coming from the ridesharingdriver.com, right? So this, whoever this is obviously ranking for this particular term, right? So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Here's Uber's direct information. So I'll probably take their information versus the ridesharingdriver.com. And if you keep going, you'll see Uber down here, you see Uber again, you'll see the ride-sharing driver again, you see Ridester, the simple driver. So he's right, Kelvin is right on this first page for this keyword, Uber driver requirements. Uber vehicle requirements. I drove for Uber for a week, Business Insider. So it doesn't look like this is going to be hard to qualify for. I know some tricks to get the blogs to rank in the front page of Google, so I'm going to use those tricks. So let's see. So the next thing I would do, right? So now that I have this keyword, Uber driver requirements, I'm going to go in here and look at it and see if it's really worth me going after, right? We see it's getting 22,000 searches a month. So we're going to put it, I'm going to go over here to YouTube, to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to use what's called TubeBuddy. See, if you see here, TubeBuddy is already installed, and it's another free Chrome plugin, but it's for getting your videos to rank on YouTube and finding great keywords. This is one of the really good things, finding great keywords like this Uber driver requirements, right? So I'm going to go in and I'm going to, couple of things I could do here. So first thing I want to do is use this, use their keyword planner. And let's see if we can get this thing to roll a little bit faster. There we go. So we want to use their keyword explorer. I'm going to launch it now. And I put a link in the community for TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is my joint, man. I like TubeBuddy. They really help me out with ranking my videos and picking topics, and they have a thumbnail creator. They give you your best practices checklist. They give you all of that stuff. So when you publish your video, it's right, it's ready to go, and I like it. I like the way they do it. So here we go. We're gonna put that keyword in here. There we go. Uber driver requirements. So we're gonna take a look at that, and we're gonna see if this is worth going after. And this thing, it gives you an overall score. It analyzes the keywords. It gives you related keywords. It's pretty good. So it's a pretty fair keyword. Let's wait till the score analysis pops up, and then we'll see if it's something that we can go after, and if it has a lot of competition. So it's pretty good stuff. All right, so competition wise, it's okay, but it has a great search volume and it can be optimized really good. So I'm not really tripping on the competition so much. Let's see if we can move this up a little bit. Okay, so here it says it gets about number of searches per month, 234,000. Okay, number of videos in the search results, 24 million. All right, so that's why it says it has a high competition, right? And it's based on your channel, which I think is pretty cool. So you got let's see here. So my channel gets about 199,000 views. I'm sorry, 199 views per video, and that's it's not mega, it's okay. But then most videos who are using this, they get about 122. So mine's are getting a little bit better. So so other things you can do if you want to get specific, you can do Uber driver requirements Canada, Uber driver requirements Las Vegas, Uber driver requirements in Westchester County. So you can do like different things. So it's giving you suggestions that you can do, right? So let's see, what else can I grab off of this. So if it goes to the unweighted score, let's look at the unweighted score. And it says poor. Okay, so poor because the competition's high on it, right? So it's poor. But you can still optimize this thing and still rank it. So I'm still gonna go after it because I think I could do some serious damage with it, right? So I'm gonna come back to you guys after I've recorded this video and then give you part 2 of how I use TubeBuddy and the steps that I go through to rank these videos, because like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to really get into building this whole Uber business thing, because I don't want you know, you see so many people who don't believe what's possible, and when someone shows someone can show them how it's done and they still won't believe it. So trust me, this part of building a YouTube channel is not the sexiest thing that you can do, but it is the most effective way to building your channel. You need to do research. All right, you need to do research before you even start dealing with the video. So what I would do is I'm gonna record this video, right, and then I'm gonna come back and, like I said, SEO it, search engine, make it search engine optimization friendly, and I'm even gonna make a blog post about it so we can rank in Google where these other videos are ranked, where I was just showing you guys. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll peg it to another video or make a card or make it a part 2. So I'll make it a playlist that way you guys can see it, because my goal is to get this thing to rank over here in this first page. All right, because if it's not showing up on the first page, you know, if you're showing on page 3 or page 4, you know, you're kind of wasting your time. So my goal is to get it on the first page and start siphoning some of this traffic, this 22,000 searches per month. All right, so hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace out.